People, it is Sankranti today, the festival of kites, and I'm going to attend the kite festival of Telangana, and I have a friend joining with me and my brother. So this is my friend. Introduce yourself.
I'm Trifina.
Yeah.
Sorry, keep saying.
So she's Trifina Kirti, and then this is my brother Saras. And we are all set to go for the kite festival now.
And we have something which is really up there, and that is tea festival. So let's go and see all these sweets and all and come back.
Tivoli and are struggling for parking actually because the roads are jammed from here itself. My bike near Tivoli and I'm walking towards the ground right now. Almost everyone here is doing that because the place is so crowded, so horribly crowded actually. The parking which they have allotted, the ground, the opposite cricket ground is also full. So everything is like packed up. And then people are even parking their bikes, two-wheelers onto this footpath. This is how it is. Totally crowded. Should go in now. food stall now, and it is really hard walking here because of continuous people. I mean, we are disturbing them while flying kites actually. Moving towards the sweet festival now. And let's go and see what types of sweets are there. We are entering the sweet place. So, where does it start from? Like this? Chalo. Okay, these are semi-liquid, Santa. Semi-liquid sweets. God. Hi.
People go from various parts of the countries to Dubai for shopping. Tomato festival, different parts they go there. Beer festival, like that. We plan to bring people from various countries.
Now, the fruit fulka is from Maharashtra, and it is nothing but that pani puri ka puri, and then you fill it with a sweet syrup kind of thing, and you put save and pomegranates. That's it, and then it tastes really good.
9 वेराइटीज 90 साल तक जिंदगी जी सकता है। 9
Could be bad. It's 7:03 now. We just had few things like few sweets, and he had kulfis, etc., etc. Okay. And then what did you have? She had bhel. Even I had bhel with her. So we just had some snacks and all. It is dark now. People are leaving those lantern kites, that light kites thing. It is now the sky looks prettier than morning actually, because it's filled with lights. It is so pretty. So now we are going to have some water as we are really tired. Let's go have water, have some food, and then we'll leave this place. And yeah. Kuchipudi performance going on there. I'll take you there also.
Representing the Punjabi Telangana Association. सब तो पहले लोहड़ी दियां सब नू बधाइयां।
Each committee member. మేము ఇది జరపడం జరిగింది. ఈ అసోసియేషన్ ఫామ్ అయినది ఇతర రాష్ట్రం నుంచి ఇతర కమ్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ వేరియస్ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ లెస్.
Appreciate the government of Telangana. कितना अच्छा उन्होंने कार्यक्रम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. On behalf of the entire Punjabi community, I am a general secretary of the Punjabi community. Wish you all the very best. Hope this program keep on carrying it for more and more years. Thank you so much. Love you all.
It is 8:55 now and the event ends at 9 o'clock. It was a really nice day here. So we are all having golas now. देखो देखो अकेले खा ले रहे सब लोग मेरे को छोड़ के. And the event is totally closed. Everyone is leaving. Even I am at the gate now. And we need to walk till our bikes now. Finally reached Tivoli. Let's go.
Yeah.